Okay, everybody, welcome to the National Forest Recreational Fee Area. Yes, you need a pass. However, the America the Beautiful Pass, which we have on our car, is accepted here, as well as the Red Rock Pass, the Golden Age Passport, and the Golden Access Passport. Here's the trail system here at Yavapai Point. And here tells you a little bit more about the sites that require fees. And here's a much bigger overview map of the area. There's downtown Sedona. We're about 6 miles south of downtown right now, right down about here, somewhere in that area. And yeah, we just hiked up to Yavapai Point, Yavapai Vista, to see the sunrise. We had a great sunrise up there this morning. It came up around 6:35 over the bluff. And here's some clearly marked trail signs, really easy to get there. No e-bikes and no assist pedals. Most of these trails post that you can't. And always bring lots of water and a first aid kit, because high temperatures here can make this hiking extremely dangerous if you're not well prepared. And another cool thing about this site, this particular site, there's a bike repair station right here, which we have back home in Northern Virginia. This one has a lot more tools than ours. And you can see there's Allen wrenches, there's spinniers, there's a bike pump right there, and all kinds of interesting things to help you repair your bikes, including this rack right here. You mount your bike right there. And then here's a quick shot of the fee station. These are at almost every single location that we've been to. These fee stations are by credit card only, no cash. And you can get the day pass here, or you can get the weekly pass here as well. And let's see what the fees are. There they are. Day pass is $5, weekly pass is $15. So if you're here for 4 or 5 days, the weekly pass is definitely a better value. And then, yeah, over here to the left is the restrooms. And lots of parking. You can see we had the parking lot to ourselves last night and this morning. We were here last night for watching the moon and the stars. And now we're here again this morning. So that's it. We had a beautiful view of the bluff behind us. And then we had a beautiful sunrise right there coming up at Bell Rock, between Bell Rock and Courthouse Butte. So we'll see you back in Phoenix. We're packing up our bags this morning, doing our dishes and heading back to Phoenix. We had a wonderful trip on the road here in Sedona, Arizona. We'll see you down the road back in Phoenix, folks. Thanks for joining us.